Learn English through stories. Intermediate English. The story of Stephen Hawking. The mind beyond limits. What if your body stopped moving, but your mind kept exploring the universe? In this story, you'll learn English through the extraordinary life of Stephen Hawking, a man who turned weakness into wonder and proved that curiosity can outlast even time itself. Listen and read along to improve your English while discovering how one brilliant mind changed our understanding of the universe. Don't just study English, live it through stories. A Star is Born. Stephen Hawking was born on January 8, 1942, in Oxford, England, the same day Galileo died 300 years earlier. His parents were both educated and loved science. Even as a child, Stephen loved to ask big questions about how the universe worked. The curious student. At school, Stephen wasn't the top student. He often seemed lazy or distracted, but teachers noticed his sharp mind. He loved building things, especially model airplanes and clocks, and was always looking for logical explanations for everything around him. Oxford years. Stephen entered the University of Oxford at 17 to study physics. He found classes easy, but sometimes boring. Instead of studying constantly, he joined a rowing team and enjoyed college life. Still, his deep interest in space and time began to grow. A sudden weakness. In his early 20s, Stephen noticed something strange. He began to stumble while walking and sometimes dropped things. After several tests, doctors gave him devastating news. He had a rare disease called ALS, which destroys the nerves that control muscles. 2 years to live. Doctors told Stephen he might live only 2 years. He was just 21. The world suddenly seemed dark and meaningless. He fell into a deep sadness, wondering if life was still worth living. But then, love changed everything. The power of love. Stephen met Jane Wilde, a student of literature. Her kindness and optimism gave him hope again. They married in 1965. Jane believed in Stephen's future, even when he did not. Her love gave him the courage to keep going. A new purpose. With renewed strength, Stephen returned to his studies at Cambridge University. He focused on understanding how the universe began. He decided that if his body couldn't move, his mind would travel farther than anyone's ever had. The birth of a scientist. Stephen completed his PhD in 1966. He studied black holes, mysterious places in space, where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. His curiosity about black holes would later change the world of physics. The Big Bang proof. Working with mathematician Roger Penrose, Stephen showed that the universe probably began as a singularity, a tiny, infinitely dense point. This idea became key evidence for the Big Bang theory, explaining how everything started. A fading voice. As the years passed, Stephen's disease worsened. He began to lose control of his arms and legs and could speak only with difficulty. Yet, he kept working, teaching and writing. His mind stayed sharper than ever. Black holes shine. In 1974, Stephen made his most famous discovery, that black holes aren't completely black. He proposed that they release a faint energy called Hawking radiation. This idea connected two major theories of science, Einstein's relativity and quantum physics. The young professor. In 1979, Hawking became the Lucasian Professor of Mathematics at Cambridge University, the same chair once held by Sir Isaac Newton. Despite his physical limits, his lectures inspired students and scientists around the world. Losing his voice. In 1985, Stephen caught pneumonia and nearly died. To save him, doctors performed a tracheotomy, a surgery that removed his ability to speak. For most people, this would have ended their career. For Stephen, it became a new beginning. A voice of steel. Stephen began using a computer and speech synthesizer, which gave him a robotic voice. That voice became his symbol, strangely human, deeply wise. Through it, he continued giving lectures, writing papers, and speaking to the world. Sharing his universe. Stephen wanted everyone, not just scientists, to understand the beauty of the cosmos. In 1988, he published A Brief History of Time, a book that explained the universe in simple language. It sold over 25 million copies and changed popular science forever. The fame of a physicist. The book made Stephen an international star. He appeared on Star Trek, The Next Generation, The Simpsons, and in documentaries. But fame never changed him. He still cared most about big ideas and inspiring curiosity in others. The no-boundary universe. Working with James Hartley, Stephen proposed that the universe has no boundary. In other words, time itself began with the Big Bang. There was no before. This bold theory reshaped how scientists think about the beginning of everything. Beyond science. Stephen's courage inspired millions. He wrote about not only physics, but also hope, love, and human strength. In a 2016 lecture at Cambridge University, he said, "However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at." A man of humor. Even with severe disabilities, Stephen kept his sense of humor. He often joked about his computer voice, saying he'd chosen an American accent on purpose. His laughter reminded people that joy can exist even in suffering. The final years. Stephen continued to write and lecture into his 70s. He spoke about artificial intelligence, the future of humanity, and the mystery of life beyond Earth. His spirit never faded, even as his body grew weaker. Farewell to a genius. Stephen Hawking passed away peacefully on March 14, 2018. It was Pi Day, celebrated because the date 314 matches the first digits of pi. It was a fitting date for a scientist of space and time. He was 76 years old, far outliving every doctor's prediction. Rest among giants. Stephen's ashes were buried in Westminster Abbey between Isaac Newton, who discovered gravity, and Charles Darwin, who explained evolution. His memorial shows the temperature equation for black hole radiation, evidence that black holes emit heat and slowly fade instead of staying perfectly dark. Hawking once said he preferred the entropy formula, but his family chose this one because it clearly represents his most famous idea: Hawking radiation. Lessons from the stars. Stephen taught us that the universe is full of questions waiting to be explored. He reminded us that intelligence, curiosity, and courage matter more than physical strength. Even when his body could not move, his mind kept traveling across galaxies, proving that the power of thought can reach beyond every limit. What about you? Stephen Hawking showed that real freedom begins where we stop accepting our limits. What challenge are you facing today, and how can you use your thoughts, curiosity, or creativity to rise above it? Share your answer in the comments to practice English and remind others that it's the mind, not the body, that defines how far we can go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.